Glacier, I'm blowing here. Hello! I'm blowing as loudly and obviously as I can. Whoosh. What more do I need to do to get you to notice that you are changing my climate? What must I do to get you to believe me? What's it gonna take till you know I am right? Calamity, destruction, skies no longer blue. It's just your mother trying to talk to you. I would have thought a couple of freakish hurricanes would have done the trick. How many storms of the century do I need to send your way? I would have thought 2 would have gotten your attention, but I've now sent 20 storms of the century. Do the math. I send you blizzards in August, in June, and in May. Oh, and did I mention lava? What must I do to get you to believe me? What's it gonna take till you know I am right? Calamity, destruction, your time's overdue. It's not too late to change your point of view. Oh, if I could put in a good word for glaciers. Beautiful, ancient, icy, cold. Some of my best work. It takes me hundreds of years to make each one. Then you come along and melt them in like 1 hour of geologic time. My beautiful ice sculptures. Can I tell you how much I hate you? What must I do to get you to believe me? What's it gonna take till you know I am right? Calamity, destruction, I'm so over you. Pay me attention, baby.